Good afternoon. My name is Finn O'Leary, and I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered how to make pancakes that taste good? Well, today, in this topic that I have chosen to write a demonstration video on, I'm going to show you how to make pancakes that taste good. One reason I have chosen to do this topic is because when I was younger, me and my mom used to make pancakes all the time, and they were very good. We have also looked up countless recipes online on how to make good pancakes. One benefit that I hope you will take out of this video is that you will learn how to make good pancakes using this recipe that I have bestowed upon you, and make good pancakes that you and your family can enjoy for years to come. The first step on how to make these good pancakes is to pour in the dry materials. We have our flour first. Next up is our sugar. Next is our baking soda. And then the last dry material is our salt. The next step is to pour in the wet materials. So first up we have our milk. Next we have our vegetable oil. Next we have to crack this egg and put it in here. Next up we have our vanilla. And finally, our last wet material is our butter. Now we give this good stirs, a couple of good stirs. And the next step is to pour this onto the griddle. You can tell when the pancakes are finished when the bubbles start appearing on the pancakes. So now we wait. I need to put a little bit more in there. And now we want to make sure that both sides cook.